Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this to be continued meme on CapCut PC. So select your video and then go to the part where you want to add the to be continued, and then you're going to freeze frame that. Then you're going to add in the meme I just searched, to be continued, and I'm going to go to cutout chroma key and I'm going to select the green background, and I'm just going to adjust the strength, and I'm going to add in a little bit of the shadow. I'm going to go to basic and I'm going to actually make it a little bit smaller, and you want to place it so that the to be continued is where the freeze frame is. My one is actually right where it is, but if it's not, just move it. Actually I'm going to place it on the on the right side a little bit. Okay, and yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!